is the vast majority of lions don't make it after the first year of life, and many of those that die when they're very, very young. Every single day, it's a blessing as far as I'm concerned that these guys make it.
Bibi's now right in the heart of the territory occupied by the rest of the marsh pride. She's closer to them than she's been so far. But she's still very much alone.
It's really interesting that Bibi has chosen to come to this part of the territory. We've seen generations of lions moving through this patch of ground, and every time when it gets a little bit shaky, when there's a takeover, or when it's difficult to find food, they always seem to gravitate towards this place. It's a great patch when the season is done, and the wildebeest and zebra come down here to drink. At the moment, it looks absolutely